Hello students, good afternoon. I, myself Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya Srigonda, District Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune, and the choice based credit system syllabus is to be implemented from FY BSc from June academic year from June 2000 or 2019, and for SY BSc this CBS system syllabus is started from academic year 2020 to 2021. Today we discuss and we know that question banks on unit number 5, credit second, introduction to plant ecology, that is there are at about 72 questions, and these questions are multiple choice questions, short answers, short notes, long answers. This is chapter number 5. In this chapter or sub unit, there are article introduction of ecology, definition of ecology, concept of ecology, species diversity, types of species diversity, genetic diversity, genetic variation, causes of mutation or causes of genetic diversity, species diversity and abundance, ecosystem diversity and types, that is artificial ecosystem or terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem, hotspots of diversity in India, that is Western Ghat, Eastern Himalayas and 36 hotspots of the world. These are articles or sub points in this subunit. Today we will discuss on the question bank of this unit, introduction to ecology, and the aim of this video lecture is only for educational purpose for SYBC students. We have completed 4 units or 4 sub-units of this course code, that is course code 231, taxonomy of angiosperm, credit first and credit second, plant ecology. First questions of this chapter is, what is ecology? Here is a definition of ecology. Eco means house, logy means science or discuss. Then second question, who has first proposed the word ecology? Then third questions, what is the Greek meaning of eco and logy? Then what is the basic concept of ecology? What is concept understanding of ecology? Enlist the levels of organization in ecosystem or in the environment, that is organism level, ecological level. Enlist, next question, enlist or listing the organisms levels in the ecosystem. Next questions, enlist the ecology levels in the environment or ecosystem. Give 5 scope or 5 point scope or importance or 5 importance or 5 scopes of ecology. Then multiple choice types of question. The idea is the bridge between science and society, that is ecology is the bridge between science and society. Which are abiotic factors or abiotic components, which are biotic components, that is light, humidity, temperature. Biotic factors. Then why ecology is an interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary branches or science. What is art ecology? What is scene ecology? Give examples of give examples of art ecology and give examples of scene ecology. Give branches of scene ecology, or what are the branches of scene ecology? What is the species diversity or define species diversity? What is the concept of species diversity? There is 4 to 5 concepts are required. What is scope of species diversity? Give types of species diversity, that is alpha, beta and gamma diversity. What is alpha diversity? What is beta gamma diversity? What is gamma diversity? Give the examples of each types of species diversity, that is alpha, beta and gamma diversity. Next questions, what is the methods of sampling vegetation? That is methods of vegetation sampling of ecology, that is quadrat method, transect method, belt method, line method. What is quadrat? What is meant by quadrat? That is size of quadrat. What is quadrat method? What is quadrat size? These are questions on quadrat method. Who was the first developer of quadrat method? In which years? What is the other name of quadrat method? What is the other name of quadrat method? In which the types of quadrat? What is list quadrats? That is listing or list of quadrats. What is count or list count quadrat? What is char quadrat? What is permanent quadrat? What is nested quadrat? These are some questions on quadrat, that is methods of vegetation sampling. What is the abundance? What is the frequency? What is the relative frequency? What is the density? What is the relative density? What is the basal area cover of tree? What is abundant? What is dominant or what is dominance? What is important value index or IVY? What is transect method? Give its types of transfer methods. What is plotless method and give its types? What is point frame method? Who is described by point frame method? Who is described by plotless method? Who was described by transect method? Who was described by or reported or described basal area cover? Who was first developer of point frame centered quadrat method? These are methods of quadrat or methods of vegetation sampling. What is line transect? What is a belt transect? That is, these are methods of vegetation sampling studies, that is quadrat method, line transect, belt transect, plotless method, point frame method and point centered distance method. Then what is genetic diversity? What is gene? How many number of genes ranges from bacterium, that is 1000, fungi, flowering plants. Genes are blueprints of all living organisms. These are multiple choice questions, or any definition of point, or that is density, abundance, frequency. These are also occurs multiple choice. Which are pools of genetic diversity of a species? What is causes of genetic diversity? That is mutation, random mating between organisms, random fertilization and recombination. These are causes of genetic diversity. That is, what is mutation? What is random mating between organisms? Random fertilization, recombination. These are questions on genetic diversity. Then, what is species diversity and abundance? What is species diversity and its types? That is alpha, beta and gamma types. Then define species diversity, that is species evenness, species richness, diversity indices, origin of species diversity, origin of genetic diversity. What is species richness? What is diversity indices? These are questions on species diversity. What is species index or richness? Shannon's diversity index, Simpson's diversity index, evenness, species abundance, ecosystem diversity. What is ecosystem? What is ecosystem diversity? And the give types of ecosystem diversity. Give major ecosystem types of the word. Give major ecosystem types of the word. That is terrestrial ecosystem, classify terrestrial ecosystem, which is terrestrial ecosystem, what is the forest ecosystem, give definition of forest ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, tundra ecosystem, desert ecosystem and cropland ecosystem. These are questions occurs in the examination, and we know that how questions occurs are required in that chapter. Which is ecosystem? Which ecosystem is treeless? That is tundra ecosystem is treeless. Classify desert ecosystem. Give the examples of plants on desert ecosystem. Give the examples of plants in the tundra ecosystem, or give the examples of plants in the grassland ecosystem. Give the examples of plants in the desert ecosystem. What is the cropland ecosystem? Give the examples. Classify terrestrial ecosystem, give the forest ecosystem and their types, give the examples, which classify desert ecosystem with suitable examples. What is aquatic ecosystem, or define aquatic ecosystem. Classify aquatic ecosystem. What is the wetland, or define wetland, give the suitable examples of wetland in the world, in the India. What is freshwater ecosystem, or define freshwater ecosystem, give the examples of freshwater ecosystem or classify freshwater ecosystem. What is marine ecosystem, give 2 to 3 examples of plants of marine ecosystem. What is estuarine ecosystem, or define estuarine ecosystem, give the examples of plants which grow or where grow estuarines ecosystem plants. Classify freshwater ecosystem. What is pond ecosystem, what is river ecosystem, or define pond ecosystem, give the examples of pond ecosystem plants, give the example of river ecosystem plants, give the examples of wetland ecosystem of the plants, or define wetland ecosystem, define river ecosystem and define pond ecosystem. Then next question, what is the diversity? That is variation. What is the biodiversity? What is the concept of biodiversity? How many biodiversity hotspots in the world? That is 36 biodiversity hotspots in the world. Out of these, in India, there are at about 4 hotspots are present. Who written article, the concepts of biodiversity? This question is also occurs in the multiple choice. How many biodiversity hotspots in India? In list, that is listing of the biodiversity hotspots in the world. That is in list, the biodiversity hotspots, that is 36 hotspots in the world. That is listing of the 36 hotspots. In list biodiversity hotspots to India, give the regions, give the plants, give the height of that hotspots, what is plants occurs in that hotspots, why they are called hotspots, what is the concept of hotspots. These are questions occurs in the examination. Then alpha, beta and gamma diversity, give the difference between alpha diversity, beta diversity, gamma diversity. What is the branches of scene ecology? That is, there are 2 types of scene ecology, aquatic ecology and terrestrial ecology. In aquatic ecology, branches of scene ecology are freshwater ecology, estuarine ecology and marine ecology. And in terrestrial ecology, there are 3 branches, desert ecology, grassland ecology and forest ecology. What is the ecology as interdisciplinary historic science, or ecology is the interdisciplinary science described? There are botany, geography, molecular biology, zoology, biochemistry, geography, microbiology, forestry, agriculture, evolution, and biodiversity. These are branches of ecology, and ecology is the bridge between science and society. Then what is earth ecology and what is scene ecology? Then levels of organization of ecology. There are organism level and ecology levels of ecology. There is gene, genetic system, nucleus, nuclear system, cell, cellular system, tissue, tissue system, organ system, organism population, population community, community ecosystem, ecosystem landscape, and landscape biome, and biome biospheres. These are organism level and ecological level of abiotic components, biotic and abiotic components. These are some questions occurs in the examination, and you know what types of questions asked in the examination. There is also beta gamma diversity and alpha diversity. There is also occurs questions on that types of diversity, that is. Then quadrant method. What is quadrant method? What is methods of vegetation sampling, and what is transmit method, plotless method? What is quadrant method? Quadrant method, what is another name of quadrant method? That is the relief method, and this is described by Brown-Blanket in 1932. Then definition of frequency, definition of density, definition of abundance, definition of dominance, definition of basal cover area, then definition of relative diversity. Then importance value index, that is what is the long form of IVI, that is importance of value index. Then point centered method, who developed a point centered method? Quotum and Curtis in 1956 developed a point centered quarter methods. Then who described a point frame method? Levy and Maiden in 1933 described a point frame method. That is, then causes of genetic diversity, then diversity indices, then types of ecosystem, hotspots of India. There are 36 hotspots present in the world, that is listing of the hotspots. Then diversity concept, what is the hotspots? Diversity hotspots, biological hotspots, Mayer's diversity hotspots. These are studies or questions on the ecosystem. There are at about 72 questions asked or occurs in the examination, that is multiple choice, short answer question, long answer questions, and write notes. In this chapter there are introduction, definition, concept, species diversity, types of species diversity, genetic diversity, species diversity and abundance, ecosystem diversity and its types, hotspots of diversity in India, hotspots of biodiversity in the world. These are sub-articles in that chapter. Today, we discuss, or we know that questions on or question bank on introduction to ecology, and this video is only for educational purpose for SYBC students. Thank you.